Looking for something fresh that needs no stuff, no cooking at all? Salads can often feel fancy, even a little out of reach, with ingredients that aren't really part of everyday Indian kitchens. But this one is different. Almost everything here is local, except maybe the green apple. Start with the snake gourd, peeled and insides scooped out, and slice it thin. Take a green apple and slice that thin as well. Now slice some shallots. Slit 2 green chillies lengthwise. In a bowl, combine the shallots, green chillies and a sprig of curry leaves. Sprinkle in some salt, drizzle some coconut oil and gently crush it all together with a spoon to bring out the flavors. Add this mixture as a dressing to the snake gourd and apple slices. Finish with some roasted, crushed peanuts for crunch. Give it a good toss and it's ready to serve.